When you think of high school, you think of kids learning, reading, writing, and arithmetic. At Aldine, however, students learn a little bit more, like how to do hair, or make food, or put together machines. These career and technology education classes, also known as CTE, provide students with real-world skills they will need to succeed in the evolving workplace. Patricia Kraft, the architecture teacher at Aldine, definitely sees the benefits of CTE.
I think that, from a personal opinion, a CTE course is specific to a student's career or their college career, what they're going to actually go out into the real world and experience.
Because of the demand for skilled workers, Aldine is opening Blanson CTE High School.
Aldine ISD decided to build a career and technical high school to better equip students for in-demand jobs.
The new high school will provide career-focused education in areas such as information technology and welding. But that's not all students will earn when they walk through Blanson doors.
Students will not only earn a high school diploma, but they also will have opportunities to earn college hours towards an associate's degree, as well as opportunities to earn industry and workforce certifications.
When they're at the actual school, on the campus, it will allow more opportunities for us to be able to bring other people in, to be able to talk to the kids without having to go through so much to get it done.
What Blanson won't offer, however, is cosmetology and culinary arts. Students who also attend will give up sporting events such as bacaras, cheerleaders, or football. In the end, students will walk away with the skills they need to make it work in the real world.
A lot of kids can't afford to go to college, or they're just not college. Not saying that they're not college material. I'm one of those kids that did not want to go to college because, not to say I didn't feel that I couldn't make it. I don't like school. And well, at least I didn't. Now I do, But I think it's beneficial for those particular kids. And some that have to work their way through school, they can at least have a trade to help them get through college.